Welcome to Northern RV. My name's Ian Broomfield. I'm the operations manager here. We are one-stop RV and caravan centre here. We do everything from fitting water tanks to satellites to keep you on the road, keep you moving and enjoy your holiday. Here at Northern RV, we supply more than just brand new goods and services. We have a range of old but loved doors, windows, hatches. We have a number of things here. You're quite welcome to come and rummage through, see what you can find. If you can't find it, then we'll help and see if we can do something else for you. We sell a great range of water tanks. We actually manufacture most of these ourselves. You can see here that they're all sorts of capacities for grey and fresh water. It's no problem. Now, you should check our website on a regular basis because we do have some really good specials at times. Go to the GoRV special button there and you'll find these two fridges. These are normally $3,500. You'll get this for about $2,800. And same for the other one, but there are only two, so you better get in quick. Okay, welcome to our retail store here in Cooper Street, Campbellfield. Staffed by the lovely Jodie over there. She can help you with anything you need. We have a range of everything that you may need here for free camping or caravans. If there's something that we don't have in, we can get it for you at quick notice and send it out for you, no problem. And we'll be pleased to see you at any time. Our friendly staff are always there for a chat. You don't have to get online to talk to us. We were actually people and we'll talk to you and give you advice when you need it about anything you like. Whether you buy from us or not, doesn't matter. We're a friendly bunch here.